You're here with Chris Yang from APCC, Asian Pacific Cultural Center. I'm a youth coordinator and I work within the Tacoma School District.
My name is Mele Havea. I currently work for World Flight Services and United Airlines.
This event is important for many reasons. We have different workshops that cater to different needs. We've had our workshop for suicide prevention, for mental health awareness. This is indeed Mental Health Awareness Month as well as AANHPI, but there's a stigma within our PI community and we would like to destigmatize that. My personal experience, I would say it's hectic, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful mess. This is my first time emceeing. I usually don't do these, but being able and given the opportunity to MC for this event, it means a lot to me. It means a lot because we're able to spread the word and information that we need to our people. And not only that, we can represent our not so well represented Pacific Islanders.
This event is important because we need to have conversations in our community about topics that are taboo, just so we can open up doors to our future generations. My experience today, I can honestly say, was very overwhelming. Being on the core planning team and being one of the leadership members, it was just a lot, but seeing everything come together and seeing everybody enjoy themselves and the workshops come to life was very much needed because of all the hard work that we put into it.
Hear the chant of the islands. The chant of the islands is what they say in Africa. Ikululega, ikululega, use o.
Today was a blessing. It's taught me a lot. I've got to work with a bunch of amazing people, and it's just a blessing to be able to speak to our youth and get them to learn more about everything around this world. When we come to the States from out of states, we don't know too much. We don't know a lot, and so it's really hard for us. We become the working class, and it's just a difficult battle that we probably won't win unless we are educated. So if I could describe today, I would say it's a blessing.
Uche, oh, 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 uzo bugome.